Standard 9 was about Earth's interior, and our main concept that we needed to understand was density. That the Earth and all the materials in the core are more dense than the materials outside. So the further inside you get, the more dense it's going to be. And that's because the gravitational pull is working upon the things in the center and pulling the more dense substances to the center. So we know that this is iron and nickel in the middle. So those are some, the iron is an atom and nickel is an atom, and those have mass to them, and those are the most dense substances here in the center of the Earth. That's what the inner core is made out of. Also, even though, and you'll learn this in 8th grade, so it's a little crazy, when you increase temperature, just put temp. When you increase temp, then density decreases normally. Okay, that's the normal thing to happen. But here on the Earth, what we have is increased temperatures and increased, temps. We'll just put increased temps in the middle of the Earth and increased density. And that is because the force of pressure is overcoming the force of density. And so it squishes all of these elements to the center, creating an amazing density, an increased density in the middle, and increased temperatures at the same time. But out on the surface of the Earth, whenever temperature is added to a molecule or to atoms, the atoms, they increase in speed and motion, and then they get further apart. Like when you melt a chocolate bar, it spreads further apart. That is evidence of the density increasing. And I think that's all you need to remember. There's just a couple questions for that standard on the test.